Hi everyone, welcome back to Terra Steak Family. Today we're going to be looking at the new kit that's in Etsy, ready for you guys. It's called Soft Florals. This is set 1. We're going to do a soft floral set 2, 3, and 4. I'm working on set 2. It's just about done. Then I'm going to start set 3. So this is the pink set. And it's got peach and pink and a little bit of yellow in it here and there, I think. But this one is, these are the background pages, okay? So this is the one I gave you guys free on the group. And I'm just going to go through and take a look at these. Look at the pretty bird there in the corner. I really like how these turned out. I used a lot of collaging. There's some of the yellow and peach colors in there. I used a lot of collaging on this and it was fun. And they're mostly, I believe all of them are pretty much peonies. I kind of have, I've realized I have a thing for peonies. I really like them. We've got some butterfly in there. They're going to show up here and there. I bumped my camera, I'm sorry. We got some here with some envelope in the corner. There's just a couple of pages that don't have any collage on them. And here we have a lady reading. She's kind of blended into the background throughout on this page. Here's some butterfly. Okay. Yeah, these were fun. Now this page, these pages were hard to make. Oh my goodness. There was so much, you know, in Photoshop. So I did as good as I could. I was going to make them again in the other kit, and I didn't. I'll be honest, I didn't, because this was really kind of hard to make. So enjoy that, because you probably won't see it again. that many flowers on one page was just a little too much for me. Here we have some lovebirds down here in the corner. Aren't they cute? And then another one of the bird cage, but this is a big one here. There you go. I hope you guys like these. And like I said, it's already in the shop, ready to purchase. I try to keep the prices down, so you know it is you have 4 zip folders. I believe the backgrounds, there's 14 pages, and then on the fussies, let's see, 1, 2, I can't remember. I think it's 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's not wanting to turn for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Looks like I got 13 here. So we've got some of the, like, we have some checks here, some French adverts, a few like receipts, and what do you call it? This one I brought it right to the edge and noticed it after I put it in there, but it's okay. It is the full piece. It was just right to the edge of this paper, and it's on 8.5 by 11, just so you guys know. Different sizes that you can print out and use these as journal cards, or you can use them to decorate with. Okay, and then here we have some little journal cards, and then some of the cutouts for the ladies that were in there. A few more of the adverts. Okay. And then on these, I did these on Canva. They were fun. And I used, I made them so that they're like, almost like pieces of paper that are old and bent and folded. These are the journal cards. Okay. I don't know if you can see it, the faded look. I thought that was kind of fun on these, so I did that with the journal cards. And then we have some tags. So you have what, 8 larger journal cards, 6 of the tags. You've got 2 small journal cards, or these could be pockets. You've got some circles, and I did the faded look on these as well. Okay, and then these, I thought these were cute. Got kind of a frame, the pink florals. This one, it went right to the edge, and the reason is I didn't make it smaller, so it's just a little bit larger journal card, this one here, but it is the full picture, so you're not missing anything. It's just going to be easier to cut it out, and it's a little bit bigger. And then we have some more tags, the smaller tags. I think this turned out really pretty. I did enjoy this a lot. I think I think I double printed on that page. That's why there was extra. There is 12 fussy cut pages. Here we have some tuck spots for corners. I did them 2 opposite directions so that you could have one on the right side, one on the left. So I did 2 of each. And then here you've got a framed pocket, little small pockets. And then you've got a whole entire page of all the flowers that are in the kit, okay, that you can fussy cut out. They're so pretty, aren't they? I just love them. And then here you've got a page with, you've got your lovebirds, your birds in the cage. This one has no bird in it. It's just the cage decorated. You've got a little perfume bottle. That's in there somewhere in one of the pages. I don't remember. So what I did was, I think this was added. I don't think I put this in this kit. These went, I believe, in my other kit, but I liked them and I thought they'd be pretty with this kit as a fussy cut. So, and you've got different sized butterflies, and here we have the hummingbirds that were in there. So there you go. So that's the kit. So you have 14 background pages and you have 12 fussy cut pages. It'll come in 8.5 by 11. And it'll come in 4 zip folders. Okay, so I will see you over at the shop. I hope you guys liked it, and thank you for watching. God bless you. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.